Hi Geminis, it's your girl Ashley from Embracetoevolve Tarot, and I'm coming to you for your love messages for the month of July. When I shuffled and pulled the cards, I asked, what can Gemini expect in regards to love? So this is my second time recording your reading. I already have the cards pulled, so I'm just gonna get to the messages. I used 3 different decks. The first one was the Psychic Oracle deck, the Psychic Oracle Tarot deck. And I pulled 5 of these cards just to, see the atmosphere of what was going on with you. And the first card out was Heartache and Loss. So that told me that you're going through a tough time right now in love. Like you're feeling heartbroken. Second card was Hope. Hope, and then Stand Your Ground. So even though you're going through something, I feel like you have a great outlook, and that's important with the Hope card. You're hopeful that you will get through this, which you will, and that you will get through this with the best outcome possible for you. Stand your ground. That's just telling me that you know who you are and you won't let anyone disrupt you from what you believe and what you set out for in love. Stand your ground. We show people how to treat us, Gemini. And that's what I'm getting from this card. You deserve that love that you put out there. Planning and patience for the card in the past. So you could have been working on something or being patient in regards to your love life. You could have tried different things to make it work, and you could have been patient. The last card out is Heart Chakra. And this is another reason why I said that you're going through some heartache. It's because the Heart Chakra card came out. And just take time to heal yourself, to heal from things that cause pain. That's important with moving forward too. Acknowledge it. Do what you can to heal it. So the next deck I used was the Morgan Greer Tarot deck. The first card that came out was the Chariot. The Chariot is telling me that things are changing quickly, and that you are aware of the changes. Then we have the Two of Swords. It's a card of having faith. Even though things are changing, you're staying optimistic. You know that in order for things to grow, it has to rain. So that's why that blind faith card is there. Because you're having faith that things will work out. And the moon is in this card as well. So that's letting me know that you're aware that it's not always sunny outside. That's life. Third card was the Ace of Pentacles. I see offers in this card, and finances and career and work. Beautiful offers. Offers that will benefit you. Then we have the Eight of Rods and the Emperor. The Eight of Rods is a card of movement. Things moving fast. Action. This could be This goes with the Ace of Pentacles to me. You could be getting promoted. You could be moving. But things are happening. And then we have the Emperor come out. The Emperor is a card of masculinity to me. That's someone that's in their power. Someone that knows how to get what they want. The Emperor. To a strong-willed person. And I feel like that is you, Gemini. You're being strong in another aspect of your life besides love. Because you're hurt right now. And the Emperor he's looking at the past. So that's a wise person as well. The Emperor is a very wise person. And we have the Hangman right under the Chariot. And when I see this card, I see someone that is just, you know, watching things change right before their eyes. And he has his leg tied and his hand behind his back. So that's just someone watching the changes happen, not really able to do anything at this point, but still present on what's going on. Strength card under the Two of Swords. That's more masculine energy. I feel like that you're carrying at this time. You're being strong. You're coming through whatever is changing on top by standing your ground and having that positive attitude, Gemini. You are. Keep that up. That's the way to win at life, is to have a good attitude. Attitude is everything. Three of Cups under the Ace of Pentacles. This is a card of youthfulness, of being surrounded by good energy. This could be friends you're talking to, or it could be friends at work. But I feel like you have good relationships around you with friends that keep you going, that give you hope, and that's helping you get through whatever it is that you're going through right now. That's a good card. Empress. I think you will come back into your divine feminine energy after having to be so strong through whatever it is that you're going through. I think you're going to let your divine feminine energy come back out, and you should. You'll be able to. Last card was the Wheel of Fortune. And that's more change. And this change, you're going to come out on top. No doubt about that. No doubt. If I could clarify anything in this reading, I would clarify. Let's clarify the Chariot and the Hangman. The Sun. Okay. Could be dealing with a Leo, because this is the second Leo card that came out. But this is telling me a relationship is changing. That was once something that was beautiful. It was beautiful. A beautiful connection. Let's clarify the Eight of Rods and the Empress. What's going on with this energy? Six of Swords. Yeah, transitioning from having to have all those walls up and having to bring out that Emperor energy and come back into that soft Empress. But it's a time for everything. And that's wonderful. You're going to get back to your divine soft self. Let's pull some self-care tips for my Gemini. What self-care advice do you have for Gemini in the month of July for self-care with Gemini. Messages, please, for my Geminis. Oh. Dream journal. Okay, so I'm feeling, write down what it is that you want before you go to sleep. Whether it's in love, whether it's in career. Write it down. If it's something that you want, if it's something that you want to let go of, write it down before you go to sleep and see how you feel. Pull 2 more cards. Abundance plan. Keep planning. It seems like you have been planning. So, again, whatever it is that you want, love, career, write it down and make it so that you really reap abundance, if you get what I'm saying. So make it something not outrageous, but something you deserve. Like, you deserve the world, so you deserve the world. Don't shortchange yourself. Be still. Be still. Be present. I know it seems like you got a lot going on, but be present. All right, Gemini, those are your messages for the month of July. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.